Hello friends, you're welcome to another learning session. Today we're going to be having an interesting class because it's a combination of math and English. So in our maths, we have the topic of shapes, to explore shapes, the different shapes that we have, especially 2D shapes. While in English, we have colors to explore. So going through this lesson of shapes and colors, we are combining both math and English class, and I know it's going to be very interesting. Okay, so first we're going to start with the shapes. We go through the shapes and then we go over the colors. All right, so the first image we have here, this round image, is called a circle. This is a circle. And then the next image here that has the shape of an egg is called oval shape. Oval shape. And then next you have this three-sided figure. It has three straight sides and is closed. This type of shape is called a triangle. Any closed shape like this that has three sides, straight lines, is a triangle. And then the next one here, you have the four sides are equal. The four sides are equal. This shape is called a square. All four sides are straight and they are equal. That is a square. And then the next one also has four sides, just like a square. But the difference here is that two sides are longer than the other two sides. So this is called a rectangle. Rectangles and squares, they both have four sides, but the difference is while square has the four sides the same length, equal, rectangle is not so. Two opposite sides of rectangle are equal, the other two are equal, so one must be longer. One set of side is always longer than the other. That's the difference. Then next you have this shape with five sides, straight line, five sides. So this is called pentagon. Pentagon. And the one that has six sides is called hexagon. Five is pentagon and six sides is hexagon. There are others, okay, but we just show you two of them. You have a heptagon, which is seven sides. You have octagon, eight sides, nonagon, just like that. But for now, just these are okay for your level. And then the next one here is called a cylinder. Like your tin of milk, your tin of Bonvita and stuff. That is a cylinder for you. The next one we have here is a star. This is a star. I know that everybody knows what a star is. Okay, and the next one here is heart. This red one here is a heart shape. So the shape is heart. And then you have this one, cross. This next one is called cross. And then you have this interesting one called crescent. Crescent is like the shape of a moon that is just trying to come out, okay? It's not full and it's not even half moon. So it's called crescent. That's the shape of it. All right, so next one here is an arrow. An arrow pointing in a certain direction. It could point this way, it could point the opposite way. And then next you have, this is called a diamond. A diamond is almost like a square, but it's tilted. It's standing on an edge, okay? This is a diamond. So the next shape here is called pie. Pie is that shape that is cut out like this, like the radius of a circle is cut across the radius of the circle. This is pie. And then the next one is called trapezoid. Okay, don't worry if you find some of them too big for your level, but at least you just get introduced to them. Okay, as you continue learning, you are going to learn more about them. Then this one is called parallelogram. It has parallel sides. Two sides of it are parallel to each other, this side and this side. When we say parallel lines, that means the two lines, if you keep opening them up or stretching them out, they will never meet. They will keep maintaining the same distance between each other. So this line is parallel to this line and this side line is parallel, so it's called parallelogram. Now this shape here has 8 sides. Remember I showed you the one that has 5 sides, pentagon, the one with 6 sides, hexagon. This is 8 sides and it's octagon. Then you have a semicircle. When you cut a circle into 2 halves, what you have is called semicircle. And the last shape that you've seen here is a decagon. It has 10 sides. It has 10 sides. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the colors. All right, so the first one we have here, remember a circle. So if you look at this color, this is black color. So to describe this shape, you will say this is a black circle. And the next color you see here is yellow. Yellow. Okay? And then you have this triangle. This is a white triangle. Look at it. This place, that's white color. Like our board is white board, right? This is white. And then this color here is called gold color. Gold color. Next is brown. So here you can say this is yellow oval, this is white triangle, this is gold square, brown rectangle. Brown, this is color brown, right? And the next color we have here is golden yellow. Remember this is yellow up here, right? And we said this is gold. So if you look at this golden yellow, it's like a shade between yellow and gold. That's why it is called golden yellow. Okay, it's like if you combine yellow and gold color, this is what you're going to get. So that's why the name is golden yellow. And then after that you have purple. This color is called purple. And then the next one is gray color. Okay, now this gray color, this American spelling, the British spelling is G-R-E-Y, not A-Y. All right. Okay, so the next one we have here is a star. I know everybody likes stars, especially when we get star stickers. So this is a blue star. This is color blue. The next one is a red heart. This is red heart. This is green cross. Remember we said this shape is cross. This is green cross. And this is turquoise. Turquoise is like a shade of color that is between blue and green. It borders between blue and green color. That is turquoise. So this is turquoise crescent. Turquoise crescent. Okay, so I hope we're taking note of these colors. See, let me just quickly say this. Don't get overwhelmed with all these colors. But the good thing is, since you have the video with you, you can always go back to the video to check or confirm whatever color you are not sure about. But I would like to suggest that you take note of the basic colors first. Take note of the basic colors, like the black is important. You know that. You have black, you have yellow, you have white. Those are part of the basic colors. You have brown, you have red, you have blue, you have green. Okay, so that those are basic colors you need to like try to understand first before you continue with the others. If you're trying to know all of them at once, it might be overwhelming. But start with the basic ones, and then as you continue, you add more. Okay, to that so that's your storage or your repertoire of colors. All right. So the next one we have here is chocolate. You know, some people will call it chocolate brown. This is chocolate arrow. Chocolate arrow. This is white diamond. White diamond. And this is ice blue pie. You remember we said this is blue, right? Now, if you look at this shade is lighter, much lighter than the blue here. So this is called ice blue. Okay? And the next one here is silver. Silver color. Some people, if you look up here, we looked at gray. Okay, let me show you gray again. This is gray, right? So, and this is silver. Now, just to make it clear that sometimes you could see a color, somebody will say, oh, that's silver color. Another person says, oh, it's gray color. You two could be right, okay? But looking at it here, gray just looks darker than the silver, but they can be used interchangeably, at least for this, your level. You don't need to stress yourself, okay? So this is silver, this is ice blue, this is white, this is chocolate or chocolate brown. And then here you have navy blue. Navy blue is a certain shade of blue. We looked at blue here, we looked at ice blue here. Even this ice blue, some can call it sky blue. Some call it sky blue. And then this one is navy blue, different shades of blue. And then here you have magenta. Magenta is also a shade, it's like pink. Magenta is like your pink color. For your level, I would just suggest instead of going with magenta, you go with pink. Magenta is pink color, is a shade of pink. And then this is violet. Violet is like a shade also of purple. Your violet is a shade of purple. That's why I said stick with the basic ones, okay? And then lastly here you have this is cream color. Cream color. This is violet and this is pink or magenta. All right, so I'll just encourage us, don't feel overwhelmed. Like I suggested earlier, try to stick with the basic ones first. When you have gotten a hang of those, you can now move on to the other ones. When we were learning colors, we didn't learn everything at once, okay? When I was your age, I didn't learn all the colors at once. I learned them in bits. We started with like white. Oh, this is white, this is black, this is yellow, this is blue, this is green, this is red. Those were the colors we started with. And as time went on, we continued to increase our knowledge on the different colors. There are diverse range of colors. So just start from where you are and keep growing. So I hope to see you again next week. Until then, stay blessed and stay safe.